Okay, I'm going to show you how I make this yummy oatmeal for breakfast that's good for you. And this makes 2 servings. So I have 1 cup of water. I have 1 cup of almond milk. I don't use the other kind of milk. I have a lactose intolerance, and then also the almond milk is better for you. I'm trying to go more with the plant-based diet. And then I have 1 cup of oats. So I'm cooking that until it gets more cooked. It's nearly there. I also have in this skillet, I am sauteing apples. Sorry, it's smoking up the phone. And it's actually 1 apple cut up. I used red the last time. I'm using a Golden Delicious. And here's what I put in them. I put in a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon within this mixture, and it takes about 5 minutes to saute the apples. I cover it so it can kind of get better, I guess saute better, but sometimes there's steam that comes out. Oh, first I put about a tablespoon coconut oil in it, and then let that heat up, and then put the apples in, or the apple in, and then the cinnamon, and then mix that up and cook it for 5 minutes. And then this oatmeal has the 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon. I also put a 1/4 teaspoon vanilla. It calls for a 1/2 teaspoon vanilla. It just depends on whether you like a lot of vanilla or not. I don't like a heavy flavor vanilla. And then when all this is done, I will mix it all up, and I'll split it. I'll put half of it in a container that I could put in the refrigerator, and then I will top the one I'm going to eat today with some either broken up or chopped walnuts or pecans. You can use either one. And then the part that you put in the refrigerator, you can add some milk to it, soften it up, and then also put it in the microwave, heat it up on the stove, whatever you want to do, and then right before you eat it, put the walnuts in. Do not put the walnuts in to refrigerate it. They won't be crunchy the next day. So these are coming along good. We're nearly there, and I'm just holding the phone. Sorry, I'm not at home. I'm at my son's right now, taking care of the dog. So I'm just going to start some of the healthier cooking recipes and show you what these are. So this is a healthy breakfast recipe. Again, I will mix these apples into the cooked oatmeal and use half of it to eat today. And I'll probably put some more of the almond milk in what I'm going to eat today. And of course I will for the next meal when I split it up. And then I'll top it with walnuts or pecans right before I eat it. I hope that helps, and try it. It's really yummy. It's all healthy. Thank you so much.